This video will demonstrate the proper installation of Etched Vinyl Graphics. The tools needed for this installation include Rapid Tack Cleaner Application Fluid, spray bottle, 4-inch scraper, and towels to thoroughly clean the glass. A squeegee for installation. Thoroughly clean the glass using Rapid Tack and a 4-inch scraper, ensuring every inch of the glass is scraped clean. Once finished scraping, wipe clean with towels, paying extra care to the edges where most of the filth has been moved to. The process for this installation is known as wet mounting. Once scraped and wiped clean, use the Rapid Tack to again thoroughly spray the surface of the glass. Begin removing the backer from the graphic. As you pull the backer away, spray the graphic with Rapid Tack until the backer has been totally removed and the entire graphic has been sprayed. Go slowly, ensuring none of the etched parts of the graphic remain attached to the backer. Transition the graphic to the glass. Since it's wet, you will be able to adjust and reposition the graphic at will. Once in position, use the squeegee to apply the graphic by pushing out all of the fluid currently between the glass and the graphic. This should be done slowly and carefully. Bubbles will form along the way, so just slowly work them out. As the fluid is removed, the adhesive will adhere to the glass. Once installed, use towels to wipe away all of the excess fluids. It is then recommended to wait at least 30 minutes for the graphic to dry before removing any masking. Once dry, you can begin slowly removing the masking, pulling at a diagonal angle. Remove the masking slowly to ensure no parts of the graphic are lifted along with it. Use the squeegee to work out any remaining bubbles in the graphic.